Does it ever happen to you that by the time you're going to be making a position, you don't know what lot size to use and what's the amount of pips that you're going to be risking? Well, I got the solution for you. How you doing, guys? This is Edward back with another video. Thank you so much for being here. And today I want to discuss about a particular um, tool on inside of MT4 that is going to help you calculate the risk. Okay, and this is key. Okay, this is so important, guys. By the time you're actually making a position, you need to know exactly what lot size you're going to be using, how much you're going to be risking. Okay, because whenever you're entering, whatever time frame you're entering, the amount of pips may change, the lot size will change. You have to do calculation, so it sucks when you have to do that, right? But with this one right here, I've been using it for a few weeks now and I love it. Okay, because it saves a lot of time. I'm going to show you how it works, how to use it, and where you can get it. All right, so right here, once you just basically drag and drop, you're going to drag it from here on the screen. And now here we're going to activate allow live trading, and all of this have to be set up. And from here, pretty much the inputs, well, we're going to check the inputs later. I'll explain, but you can actually tweak this to your liking. Okay, I'll explain that later. Let's go ahead and click OK. Now it's very important, once this is open, okay, right here we can see it actually on the screen now, right? You can move it around, right? In this case, right here, guys, you have to be on auto trading. Okay, you can see the smiley face right here when you are in auto trading. If you're off, it's going to show you a sad face. Okay, that means it's not going to work. You have to be in auto trading. All right, now once you do that, you can see here a couple of things that it comes with it. Okay, of course, the most important thing at the beginning is the risk. How much you want to risk? You want to risk 1%. It will do the calculation for you. You want to risk 1% off, in this case, a $20,000 account. You just hit put 1% in there, and let's say you want to open a buy limit. Right here, I'm seeing that there is a nice demand zone that I'm interested in. Right, so I'm going to click in here. You're going to have these three lines. You're going to be moving now. This is the stop loss. This is where you want to put the stop loss here. In this case, boom, you have the stop loss right there. The yellow line is basically the entry price. You want the entry to be perhaps right there at that candle. And the take profit, you want it to be here. All right. Now with that, all you have to do is just click enter. Okay. And the position is going to be open. But look at this. Right here, when you place the number 1%, you see it tells you how much you're going to be risking, $200 based on the $20,000 account that you have. Also, look at the bottom right here. You see the volume. Volume right here is the lot size that the system is placing there automatically for you. Okay, it's doing the calculation. And no matter what, look, if I move the stop here, if I move my stop loss here, it would still be risking $200. What is going to change is the lot size. You see the lot size is changing. Okay, now look at this. If I put it a little bit higher, right there, lot size is about $15.38. You see, if I put it here, now this is a $40 lot size, but still the $200, they don't move, right? They don't move. No matter where I put the stop loss, it's not going to be moving because it's set to $200. Okay, the same also with the ratio. You can look, if you're looking entries for like a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk to reward, you can just click just 1 or 2 or 3, and that's it. Basically, it's going to set you up with the 1 to 2. This, let's just give an example right here. Let's say you're looking for a 1 to 3 risk to reward, right? So you see what it does. You see the stop loss automatically move. Now let me see, just right here. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, so let me put it here. Boom, it moved. So I'm still risking the 200. You see it's locked. So almost $200, $199.98. That's the risk. The lot size 19.80, and the take profit is just a 1 to 3. You see RR, risk to reward, is just a 1 to 3. If I move my stop loss here, my take profit right there, the stop loss will also move automatically. So no matter where I put it, you see the stop loss will also be moving based on the 1 to 3 ratio, right? So this is pretty cool. If I don't want that, if I don't like that, okay, I'm just simply gonna do the I'm gonna place my take profit manually. My take profit, I want that to be here, and I want my stop loss to be here. All right, still, you see my $200, they don't move, still the same. What moves is the actual lot size, which is very cool. So if I want to place the position, I'm going to do it right now, but I'm going to close it automatically at the moment. This is a, right, hold on. I'm going to hit enter. Now that I hit enter, look at what happened, right? Boom, automatically, I have the position. I have the buy limit right here, the stop loss in here, take profit right there, okay? I can close right here half of the position if I want. I have to select the order, okay? In this case, I have to select the position because it's not open. At the moment, I have to select. I have to click here, select trade. I'm going to select the trade. In this case, I can't, as I mentioned. You're going to have to select the trade. Once you have the selected trade, you can click close half. You can close it automatically with one click. You can close a custom amount. And this is where you can go here to the settings by clicking in there. And once you're here, this is where you go where it says close custom percentage. You see 10. So that means 10%. Every time you click here, right, it's like taking partial profits, literally. Every time you click here, you're going to be closing 10% of the position. Whatever the amount is, if your entry is open, you're going to be closing 10%, right? Every time you click on that. You can put 20, 30%, 50%, whatever percentage, you can change it. This is totally customizable, right? Stop loss to break even. This is really cool. Every time when you click right here, if you consider that the price is very far away now from your entry, you click stop loss to break even and it will move it automatically. I know that will it maybe that's not going to take you much, but believe me, just one click and that's it. You're on break even. Um, this is, as I mentioned, you can customize this also from here. I just don't recommend you moving much stuff. All you have is right here. Okay, you can execute trades directly from here as well. It's very, very simple to use, guys. Okay, with this you can actually go on the link that I will leave in the description below if you're interested on this indicator. This is a paid indicator, but it's totally worth it. I don't normally recommend anybody to actually get something paid, but believe me, I've been looking for free risk calculators on NT4. I found one, but it's not working properly, which is, by the way, I'm going to show you right here. You can try it out. Right here, it's called Lot by Risk. You can test it out. I am having issues with that one. It's just not calculating the risk correctly, and I don't know what is going on. But you can test it out. All right. How you can get it? It's actually free. You can get it from the market, right here. If you go on MT4 and just type in Lot by Risk, and it's gonna be right here. It's free. You can install it and see if it works for you. If it really calculates the percentage that shows, because on my end, whenever I put 1%, if I put in 1%, like 1% right here, it's not gonna is something is happening. I don't know, it's something wrong with the indicator, but it's not risking the actual 1%. Like for example, let's go back here to this one and let's go click to the pending order to just to show you the example. So if you go here, of course the entry will there, take profit right here, and I want to risk the 1%. It already shows you what's the 1% of $20,000, $200. If I put 2%, you want to risk 2%, that's $400 of the 20,000. You want to risk at 10%. I mean, it's way too much, right? But that's around $2,000 for this one, right? So it really calculates. It's very accurate. You can actually see right here. Once you tweak it, you move it a little bit, and you will see in this case how much you will be risking. Let me see from here. Oh, this is a 100. Well, in this case, look at this, because you are over. This is the maximum. For some reason, it's reaching the maximum 100 standard. Not a lot size is that's why it's giving you a different amount right here of the risk. That's because of the size that or the entry we're actually doing right here. So 10% is crazy. Never do that. Let's go just with the maximum 2% and let's see if it's actually real. So 2%, about $401. Okay, the lot size you see is 36. Right, if you get something that surpasses I mean, the maximum lot size is 100. Okay, you cannot get higher than that. So that's why I was getting that little mistake in there. That the actual numbers were different. It's because the maximum is 100. So that would make sense. So with that being said, guys, if you want to cancel this, you just click cancel right there, boom, and nothing happened. Right? You can definitely use it, test it out. It's really, really cool. You can even test it out just for a month if you like it. If you don't like it, you just don't continue. You don't pay. But I tell you, it's totally worth it. It will save you a ton of time. If you're scalping on the 1 minute, 5 minute time frame and you want to place your position, you don't even need to do the math. The application will do the calculation for you. You want to risk 1%, you want to risk 0.5%, right? Per trade. Boom, that's just $100 right there. And that's it, right? You can place pending orders, you can execute orders right away, you can move the stop loss wherever you want. And that's basically it, guys. Let me know what you think. I want to hear your comments on the comment section below. As I mentioned, I will leave the link in the description. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take it easy.